So Jeff recently sent me a link to this video and he wants to know what the maneuver is and how he can learn to do it. Now I don't think it has a name. I would call these flip reversals. However, I have heard someone call it RoboFlips before. Anyway, it's super easy. Let's get into it. So the first thing you have to be able to do is flips side on. You have to be able to do them forwards, you have to be able to do them backwards, you've got to be able to move them around, so I can move them to the left or the right, and I can move them in a loop, for example. So you definitely want to get these nailed where you can keep them on the spot. And the second maneuver you want to be able to do is side on Tictocs. Now you have to be able to do these with nose up and nose down. Now I know these are actually pretty tricky, so you may want to start by learning blades in and then learning skids in, and then you can transition to that side on. And then with these you want to be at the skill level where you can move them left or right and you can move them up or down and keep really good control of them. And now you know enough to do flip reversals. I would try a couple of different patterns, so maybe a single flip and a Tictoc and then another flip and a Tictoc. And then you could do other ones like a flip, half tick, flip, half tick, or maybe 2 flips and a double Tictoc. It's actually pretty easy at this point and it looks good. So the reason you want to learn Tictocs for this maneuver is you're looking for that snap in that change of direction. It's easy enough to do it if you just went horizontal and changed direction, but if you know the Tictoc and you know how to do that snap without losing height, it'll make it look way better. So thanks to Jeff for suggesting this one, and the original video comes from Vava, so I've given a link to that video down below. And if you have any other maneuvers that you want breaking down or for me to have a look at, just give me a shout and I'll give it a go. Until next time.